What is up, guys? Welcome back to season 2, episode 2 of Ballistic Garage. Today, what we're gonna be doing is finally cleaning up the motor while the car is off of paint. On the last episode, after we got all the brackets and everything made, we pulled the motor out and we sent the car off the paint. So now, what we can do is clean up the motor and freshen it up. My plan is to Cerakote the engine because last time I just painted it, but I wanted to give it a really good Cerakote this time. So it'll be completely fresh, brand new. I'm telling you guys, man, you guys, this build is gonna be insane. This is gonna be my last version of War Machine build, so it's gonna be epic. Let's get into the intro. The first thing that we need to do is we need to pop the transmission off. That way we can get it onto the engine stand right here, and then we'll start tearing down the accessories that's on the motor, the alternator, the AC compressor, and also the tensioner. So let's get started.
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my work in. I can't leave it all the chances, make it certain. Yeah, I had to lose it all to find my purpose. Yeah, but I won't do that twice, it made me nervous. Let's get to work in. I'm like check 1, check 2, gonna get these bands now. Want this, want that, gotta be stand out. Jokes on you, boy, tell me you the man now. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special.
The next day, we're gonna be taking apart the engine today. We stopped last night because my dad smashed his finger again, and
Again,
it's
same one.
It's throbbing, I guess now.
Look at that. It won't focus, but there you go. I drilled some holes in there to relieve the pressure, but yeah. Alright guys, so we got the motor taped up. So now what we have to do is degrease it and then hose it down and degrease it a few times, hose it down, make sure everything's good, and then we can start scuffing it up and Cerakote it.
While you turning nobody's go up on like a rocket, yeah. Pressure made diamonds. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my
Alright, so now we gotta let that soak for about 10 minutes. See how clean she can get. See you guys in a bit. It's pretty fucking clean.
Do I have to use the brush on the diffuser? Or
Yeah.
just right now?
Because it's been caked on, dude. Alright, so that's it for tonight. We got her washed. We're gonna let her dry overnight, and then what we're gonna do tomorrow is scuff this up, remove all of these little casting mark nibs and stuff like that, and then probably what I'm gonna do is hit it with some brake cleaner and just clean it off real good. Because to be honest, with the Cerakote C series, it's ceramic after all. You know, it's not as sensitive as the paint is, so it'll stay on there and it'll harden. So we'll be good. It'll be enough, and I can't wait to get this motor back together. Cool. Today's goals is to get rid of all these casting marks, make the paint smoother and look better. I kind of half-assed it the last time I did it, so this time I wanted to really take my time, so this motor comes out. See all this?
Yeah.
Those are casting marks.
So make them all smooth?
Yeah. Alright, so we're done taping up the motor and cleaning up the motor. Now it's time for some Cerakote. I'm going to be doing titanium silver. So, hope it comes out good.
Painted this. Who are you?
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan. Alright, so the motor is finished. Last night we finished it, but we ran into a little problem. I will show you guys that later. But right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sandblast all this, the supporting accessories that's on the motor. I had already degreased it and gassed it out already, so now we just need to sandblast it. That way we can Cerakote it. Blasting took a whole day. I started at 8 this morning. It's now 7 p.m. And we're just now finally getting to paint it. So here we go. So we just finished all the motor supporting parts. What I'm gonna do next is burnt bronze for the brackets that we made in the last video. get it.
Every single day I feel the Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my work in. I can't leave it out of chance, let's make it certain. Yeah, I had to lose it out to find my purpose. Yeah, but I won't do that twice, it made me nervous. Let's get to work in. I'm like check one, check two, gonna get these bills now. Want this, want that, gotta understand that. Jokes on you, boy, tell me you remember. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah.
Alright, so we finished it. Let's wait till tomorrow and then I'll show you guys the finished product.
In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. Yeah. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up.
Alright guys, as you can see, we finished Cerakoting everything. Here we did the radiator bronze, intercooler bronze, valve cover bronze, crossbar bronze, all the brackets bronze. So I know the earlier in the video you saw a different color. That's because I bought the wrong titanium color Cerakote. So I was supposed to buy the Glacier series, which is like a light, like silverish, bronzish color. But I bought the regular titanium, so it came out a lot darker. But luckily, I only laid down a very soft coat. So then I did Glacier silver on top, because I think with the titanium color and then the bronze, they're too close together. As you can see, I did some of the accessories in titanium, but it's just so close to the bronze, and I didn't like that, so I did silver instead. And then we did the water pump housing in silver. And all the other accessories in silver. And then I got the two canisters over here, which is the overflow and the swirl pot in Glacier Black, the turbo manifold in Glacier Black, and the VTEC solenoid in titanium. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure as hell did, and I'm so excited for this new build. But I'm gonna leave off here and catch you guys in the next episode, where we're gonna be assembling all this, and boy oh boy oh boy, you guys are gonna love this build. I'm just so ecstatic and so excited for this build. But with that being said, remember, if you guys like this video, if you like the content on the channel, please like, subscribe. You know, it really helps the channel out, and share. I want to be able to one day get a shop, like a legit shop, so I can have room dedicated for all this stuff, like welding, Cerakoting, and just bringing more content like this to you guys, because I love building cars. And to be honest, I enjoy the build process more than I do driving the car. So that's why, you know, you see me constantly just, you know, tweaking out my car. But that's it. Remember, authenticity is king. Peace out. I love you guys. Later.